In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to merge PDF files into one. Here I have three PDF files, PDF1, PDF2, PDF3. The different PDF file here, PDF1, PDF3 and the PDF2. I want to merge these three PDF files into one PDF. So what I have to do actually, I will apply two OS. Both OS are free. So if I go any browser, here is a browser Firefox. Let me search here merge PDF. I can easily use the I Love PDF website or the small PDF website. Let me click on small PDF website. Now I have to choose the files. Here in the desktop, in the PDF folder, I have to select the three files. Let me click on open. I will use the free version. Let me click on here, choose option. I can change the page here. I can easily use this page as a first page and this page as a second page and this one as a last page. Now I have to click on merge PDF. Now let me click on download. Here the PDF file has been downloaded. In the download folder here PDF3 merged. If I click on here, you will see the PDF3. Let me zoom out. Here the another page and the another page. So I have three different PDF file and I have combined all of the files into one PDF file. So this was my first way. I can easily use a second way. Let me download a software. Let me search here PDFTK. Here you will see the PDF Labs PDFTK. Let me click on it. Here PDFTK free. Now if I click on download PDFTK free, very light software, less than 4 MB. I can easily download it from here and I can easily install it. So here I have already installed the software PDFTK, the PDF toolkit. Let me click on here. I have to add the PDF files. Let me click on add PDFs. Here in the desktop, my folder PDF, and here is the three PDF files. Let me select all of the files. Let me click on open. Here in my PDF1 I have only one page, PDF2 I have two pages and PDF3 I have three pages. If I want to start from PDF file, let me change it from here. Let me change it here. And let me change the PDF1 to last. So let me place it here, PDF3 to 1. Here you will see this is my PDF3. So if I click on create PDF, let me select the desktop. Let me give a name PDF file. Let me click on save. Here you will see the PDF started with the PDF3 pages. I change it here. So here is the PDF3 and you will see this one is my PDF2 and the CB was my PDF1. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.